Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is part 2, and if you did not watch part 1, you're going to be a little confused. But in part 1, we did this right here and we intersected it, but we still had a background of white or yellow, or we didn't have transparent. So if we go to Object Order, back a page, you can see we have, well, it is transparent, but it's not showing through on the red. We want that contoured outline to be transparent. So how do you fix that? Let's take the text and let's move it over. I actually need to group that together, Control G. Now let's take our outline and move it over. We've actually got a ghost outline there. Let's move our outline over. And anyway, take this flag now and make a duplicate of it and move it down. Now we're going to take this and move it down, and we're going to hope I'm not going too fast. Take all this and trim it. And now you have a white background, but it's not white, it's actually transparent. And now we've just moved that out of the way and you can see the white background. And then, but we need to still take this state and move it down. And by nudging, I'm not changing anything. Now I'm going to intersect this. And look at that. Hopefully, when we draw a yellow box trick, the white will be transparent. Voila. Now, the only other thing you need to do is take your outline. I'd always move it out of the way and maybe double click on your pen tool. Give us that 2 points. And remember what I said earlier, if you don't have 2.5, you can go 2.5. Just type it in, 2.5. You don't have to use the numbers that Corel has. And then nudge that up. And now we have a completed project without a PowerClip that he was having. And if you didn't follow the first video, the gentleman was having trouble with the PowerClip actually still being there when he saved it as an SVG. That's pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.